Hi team, I would like to explain you my work on redesigning Massive Rocket website. So first take a look at the design. Next I'll explain more of the design decisions and my approach in achieving this design. So yeah, here is the landing page of it, and I have just designed the home page. And this section is more about the different services that we provide. I have highlighted the service that we provide and gave a description and a small illustration about it. Here you can see a transparent rocket, right? So each part of the rocket represents one of the service that we provide. And I have created few of the custom illustrations representing all our services. I have a followed 2D plus a 3D sort of a thing while designing it. And for case studies, I have given a horizontal scroll over here. This is the final footer section. I have included contact page in the footer section. As you can see, I have done another variation. The color palette is just changed. Everything else is more or less same. The illustrations colors are also changed according to the design for a dark mode. Now I would like to explain my approach towards design. First, here is a basic project brief and the target audience. I got the list of all these target audience from different websites, websites, and the client's website that have referred. I have referred websites of Braze, Segment, Snowflake, and Amplitude, as you can see. And next we have done the basic audit of the website. Before trying to solve any problem, we have to understand the problem, right? So I have generated the eye thermal map, which indicates the eye tracking of the user. I haven't found any critical issues in the website, and a few of the moderation issues are the copywriting was a little bit confusing, not straightforward, and the buttons or CTA are just as 4%. So what does this line say? Is here we are seeing a main CTA on the landing page, right? The As you can see, it is not highlighted in red, which is the focus is not on the CTA. It can be just adjusted by changing the color of the button, and the layout can be improved. When the user enters the site, first is taken across all the case studies of the projects that we have done. What I thought is, without we have to show our services, what all services that we provide, then we have to show the impact of that services created on the certain company and how our clients are using those. Next, scope for improvement. Here copywriting can be improved. And next, clientele list and the number of projects completed should be added on the website, because that adds another layer of trust on the website. Next, our impact can also be added. Impact could be something like touched over 100 million users, or maybe helped 10 companies to enhance user centricity with with 10 million of their clients, something like that. And in these days, the impact that video is creating on conversions is a lot more than the text or any other visual form of representation. If we could add a video explaining all our processes and services, that would be really helpful, and the conversion rates skyrocket. And next, the accessibility can be improved by following WCAG AAA compliance. This is a platform which helps to increase inclusivity in design. More people can enjoy our websites or come and browse our websites. This says that increase the contrast ratio, or a pre-record video can be included for sign language translations, and extended audio descriptions should be provided. And research is done up to now. Now focusing on the UI. While focusing on UI, I have taken the color palette of the existing design and have taken the font and have with the different keywords that explains the brand or in some or the other way. Okay, so these are different shots I have taken from Pinterest, Dribble, and Behance. Yeah. Next, I have created a new color palette. The main brand color is same, and all other colors are different. I've just changed the minute saturation on the colors, so it wouldn't hurt, like it would be more pleasing to eyes. And here is a simple brand personality. Massive Rocket is professional, smart, and friendly and dependable sort of a personality to the website. And the first fonts have taken class glow stick, and it is a very eye-catchy font, and it is a also has some sense of professionalism and corporate identity to it. And I've set the another font as Open Sans. Next, the sitemap is very basic that I have created. It just has a home page that I have worked on, so I have elaborated it a bit, and rest of it is more or less the same. And regarding wireframes, when design, I have a custom printouts. I have designed these whole papers. All these papers have the frames or borders of the screens and a pixel grid inside, so that I can fastly iterate between much different layouts. Here you can see the 6 layouts for a case study and 3 layouts for a mobile version of a landing page. And for designing for the grid system, I used a golden Canon grid system. There are two types of grid systems basically. One is golden Canon or modular grid systems, and other is column grid systems like 8 pixel grid or a 12 pixel grid. For design heavy or UI focused projects like websites and all, I use a this golden Canon grid system, because we have a lot of flexibility while designing, and the UI also looks much better, and content is also very less. This is a right system to go with. In design decisions, in designs you can see the whole focus on the glass rocket, which represents that transparent approach leads to a massive growth, and massive rocket helps clients achieve it. And the content on landing page is rewritten, and clear CTA is also added. Next, here in this layout, I have divided our rocket into 4 different sections, and each section of the rocket represents one of the service that we provide. And here are the 4 services that we provide, and Massive Rocket provides a strategy, configuration, integration, execution in all of them, which is shown represented with the arc below. Here is the illustration for each of the process that we provide, and also I've given the explanation or a content that explains the service. Next, we have the custom illustrations. I have created custom illustrations for each of the services that we offer. It is a combination of 2D and 3D, and separate illustrations are made both for dark mode and light mode. And 3D icons are made with glass to increase the cohesivity along with our glass rocket. In case study, I have included horizontal scroll, and I also added text which generates more interest among the users to read those case studies. And I have added a newsletter section, and the newsletter section in the current website, it appears when there is a when we load the page initially and there is a pop-up for a newsletter. I thought of adding it in the landing page itself, so that we can access it later after reading all the content on the website, and after knowing about all the services that we provide. And I have observed that there is a contact page on all different sections of the website, on all the pages. So I have included the contact section directly in the footer. And here is both dark and light modes of the website, and also design the mobile version of it. So here it is. Now we have completed the first design that I have worked on. I have worked on few other designs, so this is the second design. Even in this website, the concept is more or less same, but the layout is changed, and the it is just, up to different perspective which people might like this or that. So it's just another iteration of the layout, if you ask me. And other than that, I've also done few other iterations of the landing page. So for massive rocket team for allowing me to work on it and assign